Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Vizio Smart TV and you have an issue with your remote control. Maybe it's like ghosting, or maybe there's one button not working. Maybe there's two buttons. Maybe it's three. Maybe one of the buttons is the power button that's not working. Or some of the buttons are just hesitant. When you press like number two, it takes like a second or two and then it finally works. Anyways, watch very closely and at least 50% of you guys are going to be up by the end of this video. So first thing is this. Go ahead and take out the battery. We're going to go ahead and pop the battery out here. Okay, now with the battery out, now the first thing that you may want to do is go ahead and unplug your TV, wait 1 minute, and then plug it back in. Okay, now come to your remote here, and first thing I want you to do with the batteries out is press and hold the power button. Press and hold for like 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, I want you to let go. And now what I want you to do is I want you to press every single button here. In and out, every single button on here, okay? Because a lot of times what's going to happen is if one of your buttons is stuck or it's jammed, it's going to cause like other issues with the remote. So go ahead and press everywhere on here. Just keep going. Press buttons like numerous times. Every single button, okay? You probably want to do this for like a good 1 minute. Every single button, in and out, all over. Now, go ahead and turn it over. Go ahead and put your batteries back in. And then don't put the lid on, the back plate on yet. Go ahead and see if your remote control is working properly. If not, go ahead and take the batteries back out. And I want you to do the same thing, okay? And also remember, unplug your TV for 1 minute, wait 1 minute, then plug it back in. And then go back to your remote, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds is up, start pressing every single button on here like crazy. Go back up to the power button, all the way down. Dirt, grime, hand lotion can get stuck between the crevices of the buttons as well. So push every single button again. You may want to even give it a couple whacks. And then go ahead and insert your batteries. Of course, obviously make sure that your TV is plugged back in. And you should be up and running. If you're not, go ahead and try this like 3 or 4 more times. And like I said, at least 50% of you guys will have your Vizio remote TV back up and running. If it worked for you guys, let me know in the comments. See you on the next one.